Hey everyone, we're going to test the Everycom E700 projector in this review, which claims to provide exceptional image quality with resolutions up to 2K. Although it's not nearly as good as 4K, technically it should be better than regular Full HD projectors. Is it, however, worth the hype? We put it to the test over a few days, comparing it side by side with different projectors. This is what we discovered. Initial impressions count, and the Everycom E700 leaves a positive impression. Its bigger dimension probably contributes to its feeling of solidity and substantiality, even though its form is simpler. The projector is primarily composed of white material, with individual components displaying different textures to give it a more sophisticated look. The projection lens is located on the front, while the top has the standard control buttons. You may depend on the provided remote control for daily use. It's basic yet effective. The projector has 4 ports, 2 USB 2.0, 1 USB 3.0, 1 HDMI, and 1 P2, all of which are on the back. If you want to use the projector on a table or bench, the base has an attachment to tilt the image higher, and a bracket for ceiling installation. In order to evaluate the Everycom E700, we had to position the projector 3.84 meters away from the wall on a 126-inch screen. With more pixels than Full HD models, this 2K projector produces sharper images with less jagged edges and larger images. For example, the extra pixel count is essential to preserving clarity on an 80, 100, or even 200-inch screen. The average viewer, however, might not notice the difference between Full HD and 2K right away, especially if they aren't closely examining the screen. That being said, there are other factors that affect visual quality besides resolution. In terms of focus, the Everycom E700 works fairly well, if not flawlessly. The sharpness is lacking in several parts of the screen, especially at the edges, which reduces the overall definition. Turning the side wheel to change the focus is easy, but getting a perfect focus throughout the screen is difficult. The E700's ability to reproduce color is yet another advantage. With a propensity toward warmer golden tones, the colors are vivid. However, by exploring through the somewhat hidden menu options, you can adjust the color settings to your desire. The brightness of the E700 is sufficient for dimly lit areas, and it functions admirably in more regulated conditions, with some indirect light. Nevertheless, the image quality begins to suffer in well-lit spaces. Additionally, there is room for improvement in the black levels, because light leaks in deeper situations, especially in the lower left corner, distort the projection's brightness uniformity. Android powers the Everycom E700, although a less sophisticated uncertified version. Popular programs that support up to 1440p at 60Hz function smoothly, such as YouTube. Some apps, particularly streaming services, might, however, only function in modified versions or not at all. Netflix, for example, has a tablet version. To access streaming apps in full definition, we suggest utilizing an external device, such as Amazon's Fire TV 4K, for the optimal experience. Digital zoom and keystone correction are further capabilities that let you change the projection's dimension and angle, without moving the projector itself. Additionally, the E700 has integrated speakers that are functional for casual watching. However, we advise using the P2 connector or Bluetooth to connect an external sound system for the best audio quality. The E700 also performs quite well in the cooling system. It's one of the least hot projectors we've tested with this kind of lamp, since it stays quite cool even after several hours of use. The cooling fans do, however, make some noise, however not enough to be overpowered by the audio in your video. The Everycom E700 is a very amazing projector, with features like integrated sound and Android OS, in addition to vivid colors and superb resolution. Although its 2K resolution is an improvement over Full HD, unless you're really picky about image quality, the change might not be worth a large price rise. There is room for improvement in a few areas, such as focus and dark levels, but these are typical problems for this price range. All things considered, the E700 is a good option for anyone searching for a projector with strong build quality, some cutting-edge capabilities, and good image quality. For the greatest deal, click the link in the description if you're interested in purchasing, and don't forget to sign up for our deals group to receive updates on future projector and tech product sales. We appreciate you watching, and we look forward to hearing from you in the comments on the Everycom E700. Have a nice day and God bless you.